Hi guys! Today we will learn how to block adult sites on Chrome. This is really useful if you want safer browsing for yourself or family members. So let's quickly go through the easiest method step by step. First, unlock your phone and go to your home screen. Now, find the Chrome browser app and tap on it to open it. If it takes a moment to load, that's completely normal. Once it opens, you'll be ready to change the settings. After Chrome opens, look at the top of the screen where the search bar appears. Tap on the search bar so you can type in your query. This is where we'll search for Google SafeSearch settings. Now type Google SafeSearch in the search bar and press Search. After a second, Google will show results related to SafeSearch settings. Don't worry if multiple results appear, because we only need the official settings page. Once the results appear, tap on the SafeSearch settings website. If you are on Android, you may also see help pages for Android devices. For iPhone or general Chrome use, open the SafeSearch settings page where you can control content filtering directly. Now, inside the settings page, you may see options like Off, Blur, or Filter. If Blur is selected, change it to Filter. This is the strongest option because it hides most explicit and adult results from Google search. Honestly, this is the most important step. After selecting Filter, make sure to save or confirm the settings if the option appears. Once saved, most adult websites and explicit search results will be blocked or filtered while using Chrome through Google Search. Luckily, it only takes a few seconds. And that's it. Now your Chrome browsing is much safer with SafeSearch enabled. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more easy tech tips and comment below what guide you want next. Thanks for watching.